Patrick Miller, 175. Juab, Beehive 25 All-Star. Protect that leg! You gotta protect your legs. Where's your sprawl? Stance! Come back out. Come back out. Close the gap! Movement, Patrick, movement! Don't hang out over top, that was your chance!
I'll go with Rays.
Be patient! Motion! 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 You gotta drive with your feet, counter quarter! Set up, motion, motion. Finish that. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Blind hook, blind hook. Swim that right arm through. Drive that right arm through. There's a hole. Drag your right arm through. You've got to get your arm across the hip. Snap it in right there.
Break it down now. Break that bar out. Break that hard.
What do you do?
Goes into overtime, 5-5. Well, we had our chances to win before that. The kid shoots and we try to fly behind him. The kid catches our leg and catches our head and puts us right on our back.
Why does he do that crap? So he didn't just sprawl and step ahead?
He tried to fly over the top of him and get, you know, quick, let's go behind type thing. Which I don't mind, but he's got to block him.
He's got to block it.
He catches our leg and we're going behind him, and then we throw our leg down, we're going right to our back.
Would have been better for him to just stop that shot and 3/4 on the kid. Patrick, be patient.
Be patient, Pat. It'll open up. Be patient. Be patient. It'll open up. Stay in that base. When you see it go. 3/4 hard. Crank that 3/4. Crank it. Crank it. Crank it.
Come in front to do that. Get in front. Get heavy.
Let's just stay here. Let's just stay here.
Yeah, I just don't want to get tossed over.
Pat, give me a takedown, buddy.
Motion. Motion.
Give me a takedown, buddy.
Patrick, move.
Move him. Hey, keep moving him. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Get a little lower. Keep moving him. Keep moving him. Fake
Stance,
shot.
stance,
Nice,
stance.
nice. You're okay. Nice, nice re-shot, buddy. Legs.
Hey, get heavy there. You can work. Get up on your toes and be heavy there.
48 seconds, Pat. Take a deep breath. Keep going. Let's go, buddy.
Yeah, I look over and I see he's got the kid in the air of the out of bounds.
I know he should have. There was 3 times we could have scored on the edge and we didn't score because we let that kid pull us out of bounds.
Keep your hip on top. Hip on top. Slide your hip out, Patrick.
Crank it, Pat. Crank it, Pat. Crank it. Keep cranking that. Keep cranking that, Pat. Don't stop. Don't stop cranking that. Don't stop. Go, 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 Pat. Go. Chest high. Chest high.
Arm, arm. Get your arm out.
Good job, Pat.
I don't know. He was a little more
Hey,
patient
didn't he
this
get more
time.
on that?
A lot more